Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys where the pink marker is. So you need to turn this way. As you can see, it's at the top. Well, not really at the top, but it's like in this like mountain. As you can see, well, it's on this mountain. I don't know why I said in. There's a pink marker right there. So I'm just going to kind of walk there. Can I hurry up, please? It's taking so long. Climb these stairs and up again. Whoops. And you're just going to go there. I'm like trying to find the way there. Okay, you go up here. And then I think you go here. Hello. And then you go here. Please don't fall. I'm really bad at like jumping and stuff, so sorry. Then you climb up here. If I can just climb. Where is it? Oh, we're almost there. Do I go from here? I don't remember. Okay, so climb up here and then just fall here. And then you found the pink marker. Ta-da! That is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.